Good morning guys, good morning. So naatay update karon nga adlaw. Pakita na ko ang mga unit ninyo nga ato ang ipang release og mga order. Ano siya guys? Yan, 4x4 na single cab, color yellow then black sa ibabaw. Tapos kini is J3 3.0 intercooler turbo timing belt then CRDI. But anyway guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel pag gusto ninyo or naka-like mo sa atong video. Then please don't forget also to share. Kini yellow black po ni siya nga bungo 3. Tawad na dra ang yahang side glass. This will be bound for Leyte. Ang makina ni still the same, J3 3.0 intercooler turbo timing belt yapon. Ongoing yung pag-assemble ng unit natin guys. So double time kami ngayon kasi medyo maraming orders, due orders, yung mga naka-scheduled for release na, naka-scheduled for ihahatid na natin. Ito naman is also J3 3.0 intercooler turbo timing belt Kia Bungo 3 4x4. So ito yung 4x4 na unit natin, hindi pa na palitan ng mga gulong. We will change that into off-road tires. So far this is the original tires of the unit. Yung original tire natin, tingnan natin yung sukat. So ito 195 R15. So ito yung original na tire, but we will make it to 215 7515 yung ano natin, yung off-road tires. Color is apple green, black yung sa ibabaw. So abang-abang guys sa complete setup ano yung unit. Tapos we also have here Hyundai Porter 2 double cab, color white. Ito guys, dito lang to sa Davao del Sur, sa Bigos Park, doon banda sa Davao del Sur part. Then ito is bound for Catbalogan, Western Samar. Taga Samar yung may-ari nito guys, sa Catbalogan City. So ihahatid namin to. We will deliver this to Tacloban City. Then our meet up is only in Tacloban. So from here we will travel Davao to Surigao. That's almost 9 hours. Then we will ride a ferry boat going to Liloan Leyte. That's almost 5 hours. So 4 to 5 hours. Or we will pass by Surigao to San Ricardo Leyte. That's only 2 hours. Then from Leyte, which is on the port, we will travel at least 4 to 5 hours going to Tacloban. Mga 4 to 5 hours or maximum 6 hours from the port of Leyte going to Tacloban. Then from there, doon na kami mag-meet up. But si customer is coming from Catbalogan. That's almost 2 to 3 hours also from Tacloban. So doon na lang kami mag-meet up. Kasi nga pabalik namin sasakay na kami ng eroplano. So from Tacloban Airport to Davao City. So that's only 45 minutes of plane. Yan. So ito yung mga ginagawa namin kasi nga pagdating dito wala itong lahat, baklas to lahat, ito baklas. Ayan, baklas lahat. So after mapinturahan, part of the recondition, babalik na yung mga accessories. So sabay-sabay itong i-release guys within this week. Papakita lang namin yung mga video ng mga finished product namin, yung palabas na talaga. Ito naman is blue black This will be bound for ano siya, Iloilo. So ihatid din namin to sa Iloilo this week. So, blue black na single cab. Hyundai Porter to. So sa lahat yung Hyundai Porter 2 natin is CRDI timing chain. Yung Kia is timing belt, but this one is timing chain. So ito yung chassis niya. Ito naman yung bed. Kukulayan pa this morning. Tapos we also have here a 4x4 na Euro 5 timing chain. So 4x4. This will be bound for Quezon Province. Nyara to? Timing chain na to na 4x4. Matagal na tong in order ni customer kasi nga sobrang bihira, and then it's really hard for us to find one in Korea na ganitong unit na 4x4 na naka-timing chain na Euro 5. I think the model of this one is 2014 built year. Nakatago pa. So far may nag-order tayo nito. May isang nag-down na ganitong setup, and mag-wait siguro kami ng mga at least 4 to 5 months or 3 to 5 months for us to get one para sa customer. Then this one also is Hyundai Porter 2 na single cam. Nakapila na to. Medyo maraming trabaho yung ating mga pintor. This one is from Agusan. Hyundai Porter 2 dito na single cab. Chassis niya. We have availables there, and we also have sold out units there. Pero nakapila pa kasi nga yung orders natin is medyo marami-rami din. Tapos doon may ihatid din kami na unit for Manila. Kay Sir De Leon. So guys, if you are planning to buy one, please don't forget to send us a private message. Doon na lang sa Facebook kasi medyo mahirap dito i-monitor yung mga replies and comments. Doon na lang sa Facebook namin, and then do a private message guys para ma-entertain namin agad. So yun lang muna, update for the day. So again, thank you so much for watching everyone.